So Wayno's here. He got a time off after his 2-year-old campaign. Since he's been here, he's grown up quite a bit. He's filled out a whole lot. Steve did a very good job of reading the horse and getting him turned out at the right time. And they're doing really well by the horse. We're going to start him back into training on Monday, February the 3rd. And then he'll jog for probably 3 weeks and then gallop for about 3 weeks. And then that would be March time, and move over to Steve at Keeneland. And he'll probably be ready for his first breeze once he gets off the van.